Is there anything else you'd like us to know about the property?
My grandpa died about a year ago, and I was supposed to inherit it, but then my brother, he wanted half of it too, and so we got in this big fight about it. We went to court for 6 months, and we finally got it settled. There's a pond across the street. We go fishing there. It's an amazing property. You'd really love it.
That sounds really special, Seth. Thanks for sharing all that. I've got everything noted here. Our team will review your property and contact you within 2 business days.
That voice you just heard, it's not a person. It's an AI agent working inside my CRM, and it just answered that call better than a lot of humans could. It asked all the right questions, it took detailed notes, and it dropped everything into the right fields of my CRM, and I didn't lift a finger. Oh, and guess what? It works 24/7, even when I'm sleeping. I mean, let's think about this for a minute. How many leads and deals have you missed completely because you couldn't answer the phone? Or maybe you were routing calls to a voicemail system that they just didn't want to listen to, so they hung up. Or maybe you sent those calls to somebody that had a thick foreign accent, or they just didn't know how to handle calls that well. I mean, there's tons of ways that you can lose opportunities in this business, but imagine if someone or something could answer every call for you around the clock, 24/7, even if people are calling at 3 a.m. on Christmas morning, and collect all the right info and plug it directly into your CRM for a fraction of what you'd normally pay a human. Well, guess what? Now you can. We just built a brand new voice AI agent inside Stride CRM, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, including a real call, the summary it created, and how you can start using it in your business today.
Hey there, thanks for calling ABC Company. My name's Sam. How can I help you today?
Hey, I got something in the mail about you guys wanting to buy my property.
Got it. Thanks for letting me know. Are you calling about selling your land?
Yes, that's right.
All right, thanks for confirming. What is your first and last name?
Seth Williams?
Just to confirm, that is Seth Williams, correct?
Yeah, that's right.
Thanks, Seth. What is the best phone number to reach you?
This one that I'm calling from.
All right, is it okay if we call you back at this number?
Yeah, that's right. It's fine.
Great, thank you. What is your email address?
Seth at REtipster.com.
Got it. So that's Seth at REtipster.com, correct?
That's right.
Thank you. Do you have the offer letter reference number or the APN for the property?
Yep, I see the number right here. It's 123-456.
All right, just to confirm, that's 123-456, correct?
Yep, that's right.
Thanks. What state is the property in?
This is in Michigan.
And which county is it in?
Benzie County.
Hey, thanks. About how many acres is the property?
It's 5.76 acres.
Got it. Is the property in a homeowners association?
No, it's not.
Are you current on property taxes?
Yep.
Just to clarify, are you current on property taxes?
Yep, I am.
Yes or no?
Yes, I am.
Thanks for confirming. Are there any mortgages or liens on the property?
I sure hope not. There better not be.
Understood. So, to your knowledge, there are no mortgages or liens on the property, correct?
That's correct. There's nothing.
Thank you. Any improvements on the property, like a fence, shed, or utilities?
So we got like a driveway, and there's a little gravel part of the property. There's no fence though.
Thanks for sharing that. Are there any other owners who would need to sign to sell?
Probably my wife.
All right, thanks. Do you have any other land you might want to sell?
I do have other land, but I don't think I want to sell it right now. No.
No problem. Thanks for letting me know. Is there anything else you'd like us to know about the property?
Yeah, so I got this property. My grandpa died about a year ago, and I was supposed to inherit it, but then my brother, he wanted half of it too, and so we got in this big fight about it. We went to court for 6 months, and we finally got it settled, and I got the whole property. And man, I got to tell you, it's the most beautiful place in the summertime. We get to make all kinds of memories, and there's a pond across the street. We go fishing there. It's an amazing property. You'd really love it.
That sounds really special, Seth. Thanks for sharing all that. I've got everything noted here. Our team will review your property and contact you within 2 business days. Is there anything else you need help with right now?
Yeah, I mean, do you know about what you're going to offer me for it?
I totally get wanting to know that. I don't have offer details on hand, but someone from our team will follow up with you soon to discuss the price and next steps. Is there anything else I can help with right now?
Well, I'll just tell you, I mean, don't even bother calling me back unless you're willing to make me a good offer on this.
Thanks for sharing that, Seth. I'll make sure the team knows you're looking for a good offer. They'll reach out soon to discuss everything with you. Is there anything else you'd like to add or ask before we wrap up?
No, that's it.
Thanks again for your time, Seth. Have a great day.
Thanks. Pretty cool, huh? Sometimes when I'm playing around with that, I like to challenge it or just throw in weird things. You know how it is when you're talking with motivated sellers and they want to tell you their life story. I mean, sometimes they even mumble or they have a weird accent and you can hardly even hear what they say. And if it doesn't understand what the caller is saying, it'll ask for clarification and repeat things back to make sure it has it right. I mean, you can actually trust this thing. I mean, as you heard, it has empathetic responses. Honestly, it's smarter than a lot of human callers that I've heard in the past. It's great value considering that it's a fraction of the cost of hiring and paying a real human to do this. It's not meant to be a sales agent. It's not going to try to convince the person to sell or take it that far, but just as that first response, being what legitimately feels and sounds like a real person and actually collects good information. It's pretty sweet. And let me just quick show you what it's able to do if you're using Stride, because it takes that information that I just told it and it's going to plug it into the appropriate places in the CRM. It can take legitimate actions and fill in this data for you just like a human would. Come check it out. Okay, so if we come down here to contacts, so we can see me right here, that's the call I just made. We click on this and we can see it put in my first and last name. And I didn't even tell it my phone number. It just pulled it because it could identify which phone number I was calling from. So that's in there. It's got my email address correct, which, by the way, I'm really impressed that it actually knew how to spell REtipster. No joke. At least half the people out there who hear REtipster don't know how to spell it right, or they don't really know what I'm saying. So the fact that it got that on the first try, pretty amazing. Now, when we move down here, notice it put in the city, state, and zip code. I don't know where it got that because I didn't say it, but my guess is it was able to pull that from the phone number, which has a 616 area code. And I'm guessing it's probably tied to that specific location within the 616 area code. So kind of interesting how that works. We keep going down. So it got the property size right. It correctly put 5.76, just like I said. It's got Michigan. It's got Benzie County. By the way, Benzie County is kind of a weird spelling and it spelled it right. I don't know if it's always going to do that, but that word very easily could have been misspelled and got it perfect. So that's pretty impressive. We go down here a little bit further. So it looks like it correctly answered the question, do you have any mortgages on the property? I said no, and it put the word no in there. Are all of the taxes paid current? It said yes, which is also right. And is this property part of a homeowners association? I said no, and it put the word no in there. In terms of the improvements for the property, awesome. It actually puts in there what I said. Remember when I said driveway and gravel? It's got it in there. Pretty sweet, huh? Oh, and check this out. If we go up here to notes, every time a call comes in like this, in addition to putting the appropriate information in the appropriate places in my CRM, it also puts together this nice summary, just showing me really quickly what happened, who the person was that called, what information was gathered. It's pretty sweet. And if you've ever hired a person to do this kind of work for you, you know that this is just as good, if not better, than what you could get from a live virtual receptionist who takes these calls for you. So this is an incredible convenience and incredible value. So if you're looking for your first CRM or maybe a different CRM than what you're already using, or even if you don't need a CRM, honestly, if you just want to use this voice AI agent, you can get it if you sign up for Stride CRM. And if you sign up for Stride, and if you decide to use this voice AI agent, a big part of what makes it work is the prompt and the knowledge base that you give it. The only reason it's able to ask these questions is because I gave it very detailed instructions on what questions to ask, how to respond, how to sound, how long of a pause to include before it responds, all this stuff. And it can be kind of a lot to think through, but don't stress about it because if you decide to sign up and use this thing, we'll give you the exact prompt that I just used here for free. And I've also got a separate video with detailed instructions showing you exactly how to take this prompt, put it in there, and get it all set up. So this can be ready to start answering calls on day one. Look, no joke, this is one of the most powerful tools we have ever added to Stride. It's going to change the way you handle inbound leads. It's going to save you a ton of money. It's going to make your life a lot easier, and you'll have one less human you have to deal with in getting phone calls answered and getting the right information in the right place. Go ahead and click the link below if you want to sign up and check it out. There's a 14-day risk-free trial where you can get a refund if you're not happy with it, and watch the full tutorial video on how to set this up in minutes. Thanks for watching. Talk to you next time.